Intro scene, a single grey wolf howling softly under a starry sky with gentle moonlight. Light fog around its feet, subtle snowfall. Ambient background music, soft wind, distant howls. Optional overlay text. The secret language of wolves, scene 2. The wolf slowly walks through a quiet forest. Pine trees glowing faintly in moonlight. Camera pans slowly, no fast movement. Calm narrator begins with, "In the silence of the forest, wolves speak a language." Scene 3. Close-up of the wolf's eyes. Soft blinking, deep expression. A breeze gently moves its fur. Narrator. A howl is more than sound. It's emotion, memory, connection. Scene 4. The wolf gently meets another. Nose touch or standing beside each other. Very light snowfall continues. Narration about scent sharing, loyalty, and non-verbal bonding. Scene 5A. Lone wolf sitting quietly, watching the snowy horizon. Stars begin to fade into a gentle dawn. Final line. This is how wolves speak, with silence, emotion, and trust.